Hello, everybody. My name is Daisy Milena Torres Betancourt, and today I will explain how we can correctly identify and produce the sound sh and z. Okay, first we must understand its manner and place of articulations. There is two sounds are fricative, and that is they are sounds made by narrowing of the air passage angle. The air is interfered with and causes friction. Yes, and the friction is caused when air is pushed out the narrowed opening. Also, these two sounds are palato-alveolar, and the tip of the tongue is close to the alveolar ridge, while the front of the tongue is concave to the roof of the mouth. Okay, as we can see in the image, the tongue is behind the alveolar. The tongue approaches the palatal, and this is how this sound is articulated, and this is sound without voiceless. Yes, and be vibration. For example, shack, she, smash. Okay, in this sound, we observe that this is also fricative, and the tongue approach the palatal, and this is how this sound is articulate. But the difference is that is a voice sound because it is a sound with high vibrations. uh, is the vibrations is produced in the vocal cords, is the it is a sound with a lot of vibrations. For example, beige, genre, treasure. Okay, and the first sound, sh. I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish, but if you wish the wish wishes, I won't wish the wish you wish to wish. Okay, it is example for the sound sh. Now the tongue twister for the sound sh. Z. Yes. Okay. Play, pleasurable, shake, measure, shape, surely, casual, genre, shatter, usual, visual, shifting, wishes. Okay, it is the example for the sound sh and z. Okay, uh, pleasurable, shake, measure, shape, surely, casual, genre, shatter, usual, visual, shifting, wishes. Okay, I invite you to continue practicing this sound with tongue twisted or online test on the videos or word exercise. Yes, for example, measure, treasure, pleasure. Yes, and sheep, shop, share, sheep. Yes, okay. Thank you very much for the attention. I invite you to continue practicing at home. Bye bye.